If you're a real estate agent and you're tired of chasing more clients or doing more marketing in order to increase your income per deal, then this video is probably going to blow your mind. So in this video, I'm going to cover how real estate agents can triple their income. And it's not going to be what you think. It's not going to be getting more clients or getting more leads or working harder. It's all about working smarter. So let's go into the first step. So the very first step is learn how to wholesale. Now I'm bringing this up because our company, Real Estate Skills, we wholesale, we fix and flip, we invest in rental properties, and we've been doing so for the last 15 years. We have real estate agents come to us every single week asking us how they get into the game and can they get started wholesaling and flipping. And what I tell them is you're 99% ahead of most people. Why? Because you've already invested into your education, you already have transactional real estate experience, and you already have access to the MLS, the largest marketplace of houses in the United States. So let me break down what a normal real estate agent receives as a buyer's agent so you can see the importance of learning how to wholesale. And real quick, if you don't know what wholesaling is, all it is when we act as the investor or principal in a transaction, and we are the buyer initially. We put the property under contract, and then we assign those contract rights to another buyer for a fee, something called a wholesale fee. So this is legal and something you're able to do if you are acting as the investor or principal in the transaction. So real estate agents, if you're listening, what the heck's going on? Think about it. Your clients that are investing into real estate, your clients that you're representing, where you put your name on the contract as the real estate agent, they are the buyer on there. That's what we need to do as a wholesaler in order to receive a wholesale fee. But just to break it down over some normal commissions, right? If we're dealing with a $400,000 property and you're a real estate agent, let's say you receive a normal 2.5% commission. This is before the broker split. Well, what that's going to be for a $400,000 property is $10,000 in gross commission. But then usually, or all the time, we're going to have a broker split. So in this case, in this scenario, you're taking home 70% of that $10,000, which is going to be $7K in your pocket as a buyer's agent, and your broker is going to take home $3,000. That's a humble, standard, conservative brokerage split. A lot of people are starting out as real estate agents and maybe getting a 50-50 broker split for their first 5 deals or 60-40. So on a good day, on this buyer's agent commission for this $400,000 property, you receive $7,000. Now, why the heck would we want to act as the investor or buyer in the same transaction here? Well, as a wholesaler, number one, you can earn wholesale fees that are uncapped. Here, we're going to be capped by 2.5%. You're not limited to any percentage here. Additionally, when you get a wholesale fee, you do not need to pay your broker. You are the principal. You're the investor in the transaction. You earn 100% of this wholesale fee. So your wholesale fee on this deal, it could be $10,000, could be $20,000, could be $30,000. It depends on how good of a negotiator and wholesaler that you are. But just to give you a quick example, I have a student client and his first deal as a real estate agent, a licensed real estate agent, his take-home money after brokerage splits was $2,500. And he wasn't too happy with that. So he came to me, wanted to make more money per deal, really wanted to triple his income, and he learned how to wholesale. His next deal, he made about $71,500 on that. He wasn't acting as the licensed agent in that transaction, but because he learned how to wholesale, he made $71,000. He split that with his partner and took home over $35,000 from his very next deal. All right, that's a big difference from being a real estate agent on his previous deal, $2,500, to literally making $35,000 that he didn't need to split with the broker. So this is why it's important to learn how to wholesale. And you've been watching my channel, you've probably seen this before, but just this alone, this isn't about doing more deals. It's about doing the same amount of deals in a different type of way, right? You can make $7,000 from this deal or 10 or 20 or 30. Sometimes you're going to 1x, 1.2x your income, sometimes 2x, sometimes 3x. But let's go to the next step now, because this is pretty cool. And you can only do this if you have a real estate license. So how else do we triple our income as a real estate agent? Well, you can still earn your buyer's commission, but also get the wholesale fee on top. This is pretty cool, something we've done a lot of times here. So what you need to do here still is have the investor cap on. You have to be the investor first. What does that mean? It means that you have to represent yourself and get your buyer's commission at first. So on a contract, let's say you have an LLC called XYZ Homes. You will then put the buyer's XYZ Homes on your initial offer, and you're representing yourself, getting that commission, right? 2.5% commission, let's say in this case. So now if you put that property under contract initially, And you are the investor, right? As the investor, as the buyer, you can choose how to monetize this deal, right? We have some clients that are agents in fixing and flipping houses. So they still proceed normally throughout this process, but they buy the property. They represent themselves. They earn a buyer's commission and they're fixing and flipping it. If we're wholesaling it, we're just not going to buy that property. Instead of us buying it, we're just going to find that next buyer that will buy this property. So there's an abundant amount of cash buyers out there. Cash buyers, in my world, they're fix and flippers. They're buying 3 to 5 fix and flips every single month. And they don't care where deals are coming from, whether it's on the MLS or off the market. So if you put this property under contract, which if you're a real estate agent, you know there's investors and fix and flippers buying deals from the MLS every single week. Let's say you find that deal, instead of just putting it under contract for them at first and only earning a buyer's commission, let's say you put it under contract for yourself. Well, now at that point, if you choose not to fix and flip it, if you choose not to buy that property, you can still assign that contract. You can wholesale that contract. So now in this case, you can earn the buyer's agent commission. So big plus, good job having your real estate license, plus the wholesale fee on top of that. So now, if you didn't have this knowledge, if you weren't wholesaling this house, that one transaction would have only got you $7,000 in commission. But now that you know how to wholesale and that you can wholesale, you can earn $27,000, right? 7K plus 20,000. What does that do to your income from the same deal without chasing more clients, without having to pay for marketing or buy more leads? Well, you've now almost 4x, right? Almost 4x your income from the same exact deal just from learning how to wholesale. So this is pretty cool. Now let's take it one step further because this is really cool too. I like this. This is my favorite. Step 3, earn a buyer's agent commission plus a wholesale fee, plus a listing commission. Like I mentioned, this is my favorite. So in the previous step, we represented ourselves initially and we got the buyer's commission. We assigned the deal, right? We earned a wholesale fee, but now at this point, we're dealing with fix and flippers. What does that mean? When we assign the contract to them, what are they going to do? They're going to fix and flip that property. Now, I'd be doing you a disservice if I didn't tell you to negotiate the relist with them. Tell them that you want to relist this property. And when you have multiple cash buyers in your area, there's always a lot of cash buyers that want these deals you're putting under contract. They're hungry for 3 to 5 deals a month. You can find the buyer that's going to give you the relist so that you earn your buyer's agent commission, you earn a wholesale fee. Then once that fix and flipper is done with your property, done renovating it, they will then resell it with you and you can earn an additional 2.5% commission or 3%, whatever you negotiate on now a beautifully renovated property in your area. So once again, we didn't have to buy more leads, find more clients, chase more deals. This is still the same deal, right? We've now earned 3 checks in this scenario from the same exact deal. It's that important. I want you to get this. So now in this scenario, we earned 7K buyer's agent commission, 20K wholesale fee. Now, maybe it's $600,000. This property, once it's been renovated, we put on the market, we resell it. Now we turn one deal into 3 checks and made $37K. So originally, right, if you're just an agent, you would have just got $7,000. So this is legitimately going on right now in your area, wherever you're at. You've probably seen it before. Some of the wealthiest agents, the wealthiest brokers, what are they doing? They're also investing, they're getting creative, they're learning how to extract the most value from every single deal that they work on, right? Everyone has 168 hours in a week. They are not creating more time. They are extracting more value from the same exact deals that you're working on. They are working smarter, not harder in this case. So from learning how to put on the investment cap, from being an investor and saying, how do I monetize this deal to its greatest potential? So you can take care of your family, so you can go on those vacations, so you don't have to do a crazy amount of deals, more work than necessary. It's from learning how to wholesale, learning how to be an investor. That's what can triple your income here. So, right, there's a lot of averages online of what the average agent will do in a year. So let's keep taking this scenario of a $400,000 property, 70-30 broker split, and let's say you did 10 deals in a year, that's 7K take home. Per deal, that's $70,000 in a year. Not horrible, not great. But if you follow these steps, right? And maybe not all these deals you earn triple commission, maybe some of them you do, but the potential here to triple your income is if you turn each deal that would have been 7K into 37K, we're now at $370,000 per year, right? A far cry from the $70,000 that we started with, right? And this is how we can double, triple, in some cases quadruple. And this is all from putting on the investor cap. We're not using a different software, right? You're using the MLS. We're not even doing anything crazy. We're just learning how to monetize these deals the ways that we are doing, the ways that other agents are doing. All we're doing is standing on the shoulders of giants here. This is not anything new, and when done the right way, this is absolutely legal, right? You can do anything the wrong way. You can drive wrong on the wrong side of the road. Guess what? That's going to be illegal. But if you do things the right way, if you disclose that you're a real estate agent, which you need to do every single time, you can do this the right way and extract as much value from each and every deal as possible. So if you're an agent here, maybe you've only worked with retail clients because that's the story that they paint for you, right? That's the picture they paint for you. Find retail clients, money will fall from the sky, the broker's gonna take a big split, and you're gonna live an awesome, amazing life, right? Well, in this scenario, we're not using the MLS to find more retail properties. We're not offering on retail properties. The cash buyers that we're working with, they don't want retail properties. We're talking about distressed properties here. And the MLS, as you know, if you're an agent, you've been doing this for a while, it's the largest marketplace of houses on the US. And every single year, about 90% of all real estate transactions go through the MLS and or with a real estate agent. Now that's a lot of transactions. So the majority of those deals are gonna be retail, but we focus on the distressed deals that are being listed every single day on the MLS. We all know it, right? They are still there on the MLS. There's a lot of people where they're going through a crappy situation, distressed situation, they need to move quickly. The best way they know to sell their house as fast as possible, and it needs to go for all cash, is on the market. These types of properties, these are what we pursue. So how do we find deals like this? Not any new fancy software. We use our MLS offer system. This is how we've been able to do hundreds of transactions over the years. And this is, if you watch our YouTube channel, what we work on every single week, every single month, and what our clients use and agents use to get deals just like this, to triple their income and to do all different types of deals. So if you want to earn more money per deal by learning how to wholesale, but also to flip, because that's a huge way to extract more value, right? We can wholesale a house, make 10, 20, 30. You can also fix and flip that house and make 60 and 70. Now, with a fix and flip, there's more money involved, there's more risk, but there can also be bigger reward. Now, what we have to do is also find distressed, find discounted and overlooked deals on the MLS. They're right there underneath your nose every single day being listed. And what we want to do here is do it without marketing, without door knocking, or having to buy more leads or spend more money in marketing or rely on our broker to bring us deals for us to make the income that we want, right? And we do all these things actually at my free training. So I've helped tons of real estate agents, people that aren't even licensed, to wholesale, to fix and flip, to be able to build that nest egg and reinvest their profits into rental properties that cash flow. And we're doing the majority, the overwhelming majority of our deals are all from the MLS. So if you're a real estate agent, you already have access to it. So like I mentioned in the beginning, you're already many steps ahead, 99% ahead of most people starting out who are not licensed. So if you want to learn how we're helping agents and other investors to get deals from the MLS, I got a free training. It's filled with case studies at realestateskills.com/training. I'll put the link below as well. And if you just watch this, I think it's about 30, 35 minutes, you're going to learn how to extract more values from these deals. So maybe in the next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, from one deal, you can triple the amount that you would have made. So hope you enjoy this video. This is Alex Martinez with Real Estate Skills. I'll see you in the next one.